it's almost like 10 o'clock. We are going to the Jasmine beach, which is nearby, almost like 20 kilometers from here. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. It is so sad our holiday going to get over in 2 days. So the whole family decided today to spend a whole day in Jasmine Resort for family bonding. In this video, I am going to focus on only Jasmine Resort and Restaurant. The family bonding video will come next. Fortunately today the climate was fantastic. It is going to be a beautiful day. You can easily find the Jasmine Resort on the road with the big sign. You cannot miss that. We reached here 10:30. The resort was very beautiful and very spacious. Have a lot of parking spot. You have 3 main blocks. 2 of them comes with the rooms. The middle one is a reception. Altogether, you have close to 30 to 50 rooms. Apart from that, you have a dormitory room and cottage. For the cottage, depends upon the size and number of the people they'll charge you. For the standard room, deluxe room, dormitory room, you can pause the video and check the details and the price. In the main building, you have a reception, bar, restaurant all together, which is fantastic. They have a quite nice selection of wine. Here the staffs are very friendly. The beachfront view was mind-blowing. I was sold out. You can pause the video for the menu and the tour package. You have a lot of activity you can do in this resort. Apart from that, they have a tour package. You can choose whatever you like to do.
Hello! Welcome to Jasmine Resort!
Okay. The water was perfect. Nice. Pretty good sunny day. You have a cottage over there. Look at that. You have a floating cottage. Looks amazing. Wow. Look at that. You have like a boardwalk type. So we have a lifeguard on duty. You can appreciate the traditional craftsmanship in the roof making. Looks so beautiful. Fantastic. Nice. Good take. Apart from that, you have enough space for playing volleyball games. This is a photo shoot place. That's going to be fantastic. Say hi.
Hi!
This is the perfect spot for sunset in Eastern summer. I highly recommend this place. Unfortunately, when we are there, the horizon was very cloudy. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Let's zoom it up.
Come here! Raj, come here!
Say hi.
Come here, Raj!
Coming. Boys asked me to come over there. We are going to the floating cottage. That's the reason right now. All the kids right now line up already. We are going to the floating cottage. I'm carrying 2 phones. Come on, Mataya. Say hi.
Hi!
Jamila.
Jamila is here! Tito Kumar, help me! Me too.
Just only hold it.
Tara!
I'll come back. You stay here. I will come back for you. Ready?
Yeah!
Parang hindi naman totoong sunset yun doon. Ano agad?
See, you can dive. You guys gonna dive? That's bullshit. That is the worst jump. Not bad.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I see you guys next video soon. Thank you.